Um, Welcome to the Traderchain channel. I like to share the daily analysis and any thoughts when I'm trading in either stocks or cryptocurrency markets. Yeah, mostly crypto. The list is long. Though coin I have selected for my long list of the good cryptocurrency for trading. The color I flag here is orange, meaning the current market is like goes sideways. To expect that it goes sideways or choppy market. This one is green. Is stacked. This one is L2 on Bitcoin. It's already broke out and hold for a few weeks above the all-time high. And for daily, it's hold for 3 days already. I'm waiting for it to start running and add more. Currently, I added so the blue arrow here is when I buy a significant amount. The thing I want to allocate to the stack. So I put it in weekly chart. In daily chart, I have here white buy arrow and red sell arrow. So this trade is good. I bought here and hold about 30 weeks the 30 weekly moving average, the orange line here, and I sell it around 1.6, which is 146%. And when it comes down to my the support line here, yeah, if we test, I added more, and now it broke out. I add a little bit here because I anticipate it's gonna, because it's hold for like only few weeks above the 50 moving average, the green line here. It broke out, but the volume is not really good. It held for a few days, but it kind of choppy in the low time frame. So in the bottom right here, it's a 5 minute stock USDT on Binance. You can see in the 15 minutes, this it make a lot of fake breakout. Make a top here and it go over and take out the stop loss and go down, take another one and go up and take. So it's still very choppy. I think this coin is great because it's the first time we have something like competing with Ethereum on L1 smart contract blockchain like Ethereum, Solana, Cardano thing, but it's run on Bitcoin. The founder, the co-founder of the stack is an OG. He started very early with Bitcoin. He researched about it, and now he figured out a way to make the L2 work for Bitcoin. Not only for Lightning with L2 too, but it's for sending the money. The L2 smart contract is like creating a smart contract by Ethereum, like meaning you can write some subset of code to creating the ERC token, NFT, write the rule for trading, or even creating a DEX. So currently the Nakamoto upgrade, which is a significant upgrade for the stack, and already folded with over 90%, and it's will be upgraded in very soon. That will bring a lot of value to the stack ecosystem. If I think you can make it, so what what people think about Ethereum and Solana, right? So now Bitcoin, it has the power of store value. It has a way to sending money to cheap Lightning Network, and now it can do a smart contract, and it be verified very securely on Bitcoin, which is 1.3 trillion dollar market cap now. Ethereum is like 400 billion, Solana 100 billion. That means the security of Bitcoin is much more higher than any other blockchains. And the last smart contract can run on top of Bitcoin. The fee used into Bitcoin is not huge because like it brings the utility to the Bitcoin network. Um, so I'm very bullish on that STX one. So I'm waiting for it to start to run, and I add a trading fork. The blue one here, right? I bought it for holding for long term. I mean long term, which is until the end of the bull market. So I expect to the end of this year or maybe early next year. I think this time it will be sooner. Yeah, because people many hype Bitcoin ETF. Um, things run faster. Bitcoin went to all-time high earlier before the halving. That's the first time it happened in the history. But because it runs so fast, it's gonna stop early. I think it's gonna be huge. Like it's gonna go to I don't know even $1 million per Bitcoin. Mm, but it's gonna run really fast. So I will show you my fractal compare it to the different cycle, right? So this is a full cycle of Bitcoin. This is the current one, and you see the gray one, which is I copied from the 2016 cycle. The blue one here, I copied from 2012 cycle. So far from the bottom, the way it's corrections is very similar to both cycles. It's up in one base, another base, and then start to run. But notice that the way up and down is similar to 2016, but the angle, the speed of it is like even faster than 2012 bull cycle. So, and both of them point to like 500,000 in the end to 600, 700,000. This time it can go, say, maybe faster. Because faster, it may go to like 400,000, and by the end of this year, yeah. So, and for Bitcoin, I found two fractal. Just so this fractal for 2017 when it broke the all-time high and then it come back to check out. It doing one way, one A, B, C, D, very typical 5-way correction. It could be the same. Now it completes the first way, come back up, the second way coming. We're gonna go to 56,000 and then choppy a little bit here, $5 and continue to uptrend. That's one scenario. Another scenario is this one, this fractal from 2019. So you see, you can see like it go down, but it back up one day. It's like bouncing really hard, like 12%, 16, 9%. But it's not like it's not on a sideways try to hold and up and fake, and people thought, oh, it go back up, go to high again and fly, but it's not. It's coming down. Corrections like ABC, 5-way, ADX way correction, very typically. I check out a lot. But this time, like after it bouncing fast, it No, it's not sideways, like try to find an upper bottom, similar this. So this factor says if it hold here, it doesn't come to the bottom of 60,000, 1,000, it in progress, and then come back up. So now would be a good chance to buy. So I add a little bit here for Bitcoin. Um, yeah. I think from today I'm gonna start doing the daily talks on my trading. I share my what I found, what I think gonna go to the market. I make a huge money this year, but I think the best part is in the half part of this year. I'm waiting for it. I have a half of my portfolio for still intact, buying a lot of Bitcoin. A half of portfolio I just actually before you see the yellow selling is for long term selling. I mean, big part of my so far I got almost all in until 73. But when I see it like break out, it could ever like go straight up, it's smooth, it go too fast, it's gonna take a break now. When I notice it, I sold like 1/3, and then I keep selling to put like my portfolio to a half. I'm gonna add it back maybe around here. Currently, half is my in hardware wallets I never touches. It's for long term, and a half is like put it in the centralized chains and trade it. Yeah, I think it look very great. It's gonna try to be um, calm down, check out a lot of new players. Go sideways until the halving, find the bottom, and then continue the upside. Yeah. See you maybe tomorrow, a few days next video. Um, if you have any question, ask me in the comments below. Okay, thank you, and see you later. Bye.